As you can see, we're really exposed. I've never pitched so close to houses before. It's just freaking me out a bit. Wow. Out again for a little adventure. I've been off work this week, stuck in the house. It's just not my style. I could not handle it at all. So I managed to get out today. I'm going to the ruins. I've passed quite a few times, but I've never camped there. It's literally right on the path. Doubt there's going to be anyone coming up today because it's a Thursday afternoon. We've got a weather warning for rain. I can't see any sensible people up here apart from me and Poppy. I just checked the weather forecast. We've got 3 potential weather warnings apparently. Wind, rain, and then a bit more wind tomorrow. I got about half an hour till it rains according to the forecast, so can it be done? Probably not. I'm looking forward to this. You can't remember the way. You got to turn right. This is the spot I was thinking of. As you can see, we're really exposed. My tent is a camouflage colour, but I'm going to have to keep the lights off to keep this as a maybe for now. A cool spot though.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want.
Right, we're fully set up. I've never pitched so close to houses before. It's just freaking me out a bit. Well, we just about beat the rain. Love my Akto, but I will say the weak point is this scoop. It leaks from there. I sealed it straight away because I knew it was going to happen, but also this wire tends to come out a little bit. I know Drufus has taken it out. He's put a ball on the end, stitched this back up, and this is fine now, and that needs sorting. Just hope nobody's going to walk up this path now. Houses. There. I doubt they can see me, you know, because of the colour of this. As long as I'm not walking about too much. I need to keep all my lights off tonight. Got to get a brew on the go before anything else. Poppy's ruining our stealth. She just went mental at a branch that moved a bit too vigorously for her. Supposed to be trying to keep stealthy, you fool. Come here, man. What are you playing at? Yeah. What are you playing at? I had a couple of cool things for Christmas. This is something I want to expand my knowledge on. And you know, it's only small, I can take it, have a little read when you're camping. These Colin Gems one, they're really good like. And this is a new kind of knife I found. Only cheap, I think it was like £10, something like that. Comes with its own case, fits on a belt. It's a sort of half chisel design. The idea is you can use this as a baton, and you're not going to be afraid of you know, smashing this as hard as you want, because it's only cheap. It comes really sharp as well, mind. Yeah, so this is like a sort of companion knife for me. instead of an axe. I can use this to batten wood down smaller and dig in as well, because the blade's at the bottom. You're not going to be afraid to really smash it in like that. That's the idea. Yeah, I like that a lot. Don't get too close now, doggo. The tent that I said I'd never let Poppy in. She's out in with me tonight. If she's not on her best behaviour, it's never happening again. See how quickly those rules changed? No, it had to be this tent tonight. It's getting windy. I know this is fairly good in the wind. It's nice and waterproof and cosy. The pitch. Rains, yeah. It's gone heavy, but I got all I need. Some West Coast IPA and a doglet. Bobby! Hey, hey. This is one thing I do love about the Akto. Look how far this door is zipped down. Is there any rain getting in? Nothing. Blinking brilliant, man. You can see it's plenty wet outside. Just keep going in and out. Soaking her feet, coming back in and licking them dry. Nah. I got a couple of brew dogs now. Smell this juice. Me and Black Beauty chilling out in the Akto. So I'm going to start my food now before it gets dark with some tomato pasta and sauce with a couple of meatballs. Now I would have preferred the proper ones, but this tin was like £1, and the proper ones I had to cook them first, and they were £3. So that'll do. That'll do, my son. Cons of having a ground mat. You spill your drink, where does it go? Underneath your inner. Blinking brilliant. Tomato pasta with chicken meatballs. Poppy sampled a few, she reckons they're tip top. Light's starting to come out. Right, look at this. just saw a vegan cheese from Aldi. Now, alright, if you're into that sort of thing, best luck to you. But the best before on it was 11 months from now. I'm thinking, that's just a bit strange. Is that plastic? What takes 11 months to go off? That can't be very good for your belly, surely. Decision time. So the weather has changed and it's now saying there's not going to be any rain tonight. So, shall we get a little fire going? What do you think, Bobby? There's a perfect little spot in that ruin there. Could be a little option. Let's have a look. So we just got out, started gathering some wood. What happened? Instantly started to rain. I don't know. I think I'll get back on the cards. Get back on the solitaire game. It's not your average view, but it is something, isn't it? Look at that. There's an animal there. Its eyes glowing. There it is. See it there? Just disappeared in the dark. There it is. Look how it reflects. That's got to be a fox or something. He knows we're here. I'm going to get my head down now. I'm tired. Poppy's already wrapped up in the sleeping bag. I need to blow up this. Get my head down. Because I am tired out. Shout out to my members. Thank you very much, everybody. If you want to be on that list, they're on my Patreon or channel members list. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more of the extreme camps or maybe more of the stealth camps like I've done tonight. Thank you guys. Ta-da.